everyone, welcome to this video on NITI Aayog, the Indian government's policy think tank. In this video, we will discuss 10 lines on NITI Aayog in simple words. So let's start our video. NITI Aayog is a policy think tank of the Indian government. It was established in 2015, replacing the erstwhile Planning Commission. NITI Aayog's mandate is to promote cooperative federalism in India. It is responsible for formulating strategies and policies for the government. The organization also works on monitoring and evaluating the implementation of government programs. NITI Aayog works closely with state governments and other stakeholders to ensure the successful implementation of policies and programs. The organization has been instrumental in launching several flagship programs of the government, including Ayushman Bharat and Atal Innovation Mission. NITI Aayog also plays an important role in promoting sustainable development and leveraging technology for social and economic progress. The organization is headed by a chairman who is appointed by the Prime Minister of India. NITI Aayog is seen as a crucial institution for India's development and growth, providing a platform for constructive dialogue and collaboration between different stakeholders. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.